Hello everyone, good afternoon. For today we'll be looking at grade 10 factorization, that is trinomial factorization, how we factorize trinomial expressions. So for this, if we have trinomial means it has 3 terms. Expressions that have 3 terms. And to factorize trinomial expressions, we look at 2 numbers. We look at any 2 numbers that when we add them, it will give us the middle term. And the middle term here is plus 10. And those 2 numbers, including their signs, when we multiply them, it will give us minus 24. So we focus more on the second and 10, so long as the coefficient of the first term is 1. And remember the trinomial, we are looking at this, we are looking at the quadratic functions of the degree of 2. So, we look for 2 numbers. Now, you can choose different 2 numbers and they will give you the middle one, but if they don't give you the last one when you multiply them, it doesn't justify the fact that they are the factors. Like here, 6 and 4. For example, 6 and 4 will give you 10. But if you look at this critically, 6 times 4 will give you 24, which is not exactly what we have on the last one. We have negative 24. So in that way, that means that 6 and 4, positive 6 and positive 4 are not the factors of this trinomial because it needs to satisfy the 2 conditions. So let's look at another number. If we look at negative 12 plus 2. Negative 12 plus 2 will give me negative 10. It's not here. Negative 12 times 2 will give me negative 4. It satisfied one of the conditions, so it is still not valid. So let's change this now. Let's go straight. 12 minus 2 will give me 10. Then 12 times negative 2 will also give me negative 24. It means that the 2 factors are 12 and negative 2. So we have x plus 12 and x minus 2 as the factors of this trinomial. Let's take another example, the second one there. If we have p squared plus the same approach applies, we look for 2 numbers that when we add, it gives us the coefficient of this, and when we multiply the same 2 numbers, it gives us a constant term. So the 2 numbers in question here, we have 3 and 4. So if we try 3 plus 4, both of them are positive, it gives us 7. We test the same 2 numbers. 3 times 4 will give us positive 12. Including the signs, everything is in order. So we can say that factorizing this, we have p plus 7 and also p plus 12, fully factorized. So this is how we factorize. Remember the rule? 2 numbers, and when you multiply them, it gives you the middle one. And when you multiply them, it gives you the last one. When you add them, it gives you the middle one, including the sign. Including the sign, so you have to just be very careful. Let's take the last example for this video. If we have 2x squared, 2x squared minus 4y, and then minus 96, and we are asked to factorize. Remember, we have different or many methods of factorization, including the common factor, difference of 2 squared by grouping, trinomial, and then we also have cubic. Whenever you are asked to factorize anything, first of all, try the first method, which is the general method, which is the common factor. If it doesn't work, that is when you start trying the other methods. Now, we look at this. There is a common factor in all. So we can factor whatever that can go through. So here 2 is a common factor. If we take it out, we have 2. 2 into 4y will give us 2y. 2 into 96 will give us 48. Now we have gone through. So you can have cases where you can use more than one method of factorization to solve problems. Now we have factored out the common factor. We can try using trinomial factorization for this. So here we look out also same approach for two numbers that when we add them, it gives this. When we multiply the same two numbers, including their signs, it gives this. So let's look at the numbers that we can use. 8 times 5 gives us 3. You keep on trying until you get the exact number that you need. Remember, we have 2y here and we have 48. So what will we add or subtract to give us this and multiply to give us this? Now 8 times 6 gives 48. And we have to be careful it's not a negative. So we strive towards getting the negative. 8 minus 6 will not give us positive 2. But 8 minus 6 will not give us negative 2, but positive 2. So we will take negative 8 plus 6. Negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2, which is the middle term. Addition gave us the middle term. So we also try the same thing. Negative 8 times 6. It will give us negative 48. So the factors of this expression, please do not throw it too away. This part of the expression will be x minus 8, 2 into x minus 8, and x plus 6, fully factorized. So this is the method we use in trinomial factorization when the coefficient of the highest degree is 1. We will also have a video, maybe in the next video, we'll go through how we solve problems involving the degree of 2 having a coefficient that is not 1. For now, if you have questions, please do not forget to continue asking your questions in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.